Okay, this is a test of the RGO grenade from NTA airsoft. This is a impact grenade for explosive caps, toy caps. The first thing you do to assemble it is you push the hammer and then you put the spoon in place. Test that the spoon doesn't make it work prematurely, and then you put the pin like this, and now you're ready to put the explosive caps. You can either use single caps or all the numbers that you like to use, no issue. I would recommend to use at least 2 caps, but it would work with 2, 4, 8, no worries. When you use the full ring of caps, it gets stuck really well. And now we are ready to screw this, and it's done. Now you take out the pin, you release the lever, and you're ready